Capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Vancouver. C. Ottawa. D. Montreal. And the answer is C. Ottawa. Country shaped like a boot? A. Brazil. B. Italy. C. India. D. Spain. And the answer is B. Italy. Largest desert? A. Sahara. B. Gobi. C. Kalahari. D. Mojave. And the answer is A. Sahara. Continent of Egypt? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. Europe. D. South America. And the answer is B. Africa. Which country are you watching from? Share your country's name in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Tallest mountain range? A. Andes. B. Alps. C. Himalayas. D. Rockies. And the answer is C. Himalayas. A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Brisbane. And the answer is C. Canberra. Ocean east of Africa? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Indian Ocean. And the answer is D. Indian Ocean. Famous tower in Paris? A. Big Ben. B. Eiffel Tower. C. Leaning Tower. D. Tokyo Tower. And the answer is B. Eiffel Tower. Language of Brazil? A. Spanish. B. French. C. Portuguese. D. English. And the answer is C. Portuguese. City known for pyramids? A. Cairo. B. Athens. C. Rome. D. Tehran. And the answer is A. Cairo.